Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. So, in this section, we'll be discussing about the aptitude related contents because many of the students are willing to go to IT or any. If you want to attempt any exams or crack the exam, is like you will have an aptitude section. So the first round is only the aptitude section. Many of the students um, uh, getting a low score in that aptitude. So after aptitude only you will be further moved to the further section. So for that thing you need to be strong in the aptitude section. So for that thing I'll be making all the videos related to aptitude, and also with the Java I'll be also making the videos related to aptitude. So if you want, like if you are interested in this, you can watch my videos, like I'll be uploading daily. And from the number systems, I'll be covering all the topics like number systems, percentage, sorry, like speed, averages, and everything like algebra sections, and all I'll be covering in this videos, upcoming videos. So as of now, I'll be discussing about the number systems and also the divisibility rule. So yeah, let us start the video. So number systems. So number systems, many of the students will be knowing the number systems. Like everyone will be knowing, like engineering background students, and also they will be learned in the they will be learning from kindergarten to the engineering level. All these number systems. So for basics, for who don't know this number system, and also who are still don't know the number system. For that purpose, I'm included this number system, and I'll be saying what are the different types of number system will be coming in this will be there. So firstly, we have one, two, three, four. That is and counting numbers. It is also called as counting numbers, or also it is called as like natural numbers. So one to nth number, like up to 100 or 1000, anything. Like you can, it is just an quoting number or a natural number. Next, with the natural number, if we have a zero, then it is called as whole number. Then the integers. Integers are nothing but if we have the positive and negative values. So if both combine means, then it is then we will say it as integers. Next is about even numbers. Even numbers that is like 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, which are perfectly divided by 2, which gives zero reminder. So that is called as even numbers. Uh, Next is about the odd numbers. Odd numbers are like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10, like that. So this is 11, like that. So this is all about the odd number. Next we have prime numbers. Prime numbers are like where we have only one factor, the whole number, and also the one, like for 2, 3, 5, 7 only we have it is divisible by its own number only, like 2 is divisible by 2 and 1, and 3 is divisible by 2, 3 and 1. Other than that, we don't have any other factor for that. So for that thing, we call it as prime numbers. Next is about the composite number. For composite number, it is an opposite to prime number, where we have two or three factors in that. So for 4 we have two factors, 6 3 have three factors, 8 you have four factors, like that. It will be going on. So that is called as composite number. Next is about a rational number. A rational number, we call it as the number which is represented in the form of p by q, and where the numerator, numerator, where it should be not be less than zero. So that is called as a rational number. That is like as you can see, that is 1 by 8 minus 7 by 11. It may be negative or positive value, but it should be represented in a form of p by q. Next is about the irrational numbers, where the numbers which can't be represented in the p by q, that is root 2, root 3, root 5, and pi values, like that. These are all the irrational numbers. This is all about the number systems. Next, we'll be discussing about the divisibility rule. So, divisibility rule, if we, for example, in exams like in competitive exams or aptitude round, they'll be having an two or three divisibility rule questions because like if they give one digit number or two digit number or three digit number, you can easily find the divisibility rule. You can easily find the it is divisible or not. What if they give 3, 5, 6, 8, or 10 digits of number, then they say find the divisibility of this number by 2 or 3, like that. So for all those things we have a trick. So I'll be explaining in this video. For divisibility rule of 2, so I'll be explaining. So I'll be opening the note right back. Yeah, I'll be clearing the video. Sorry, clearing this part. So firstly, divisibility of 2. For 2, what we have means, as I said before, if they give 20 means 20 is perfectly divisible by 2. It is a two digit number. So what if they give 2, 0, 5, 9, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, like this, 6 to 5, 8 numbers. What you will be doing, like in aptitude, as all of you know that you will have only less amount of time. So for that thing, like two, you need to know the unit digit. So the unit digit, so that the last digit of this number. So if it is divisible by 2 means the whole number will be will be perfectly divided by 2. So this is the logic behind the 2. So you need to just see the unit digit. So in my case we have 8 as an unit digit. This is the divisibility rule of 2, and next we'll be seeing about the divisibility rule of 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 is there is no similarity, they are similar to each other. So for example, I'll be giving 5, 1, 9, 7, 9, 1. So what you should do is you need to sum up all these values. So what we will be getting, 5 plus 1 plus 9 plus 7 plus 9 plus 1. So what we'll be getting is 32. So 32 is not divisible by 3. Then what you should assumption this, then what you should do is, then you should think that the whole number will not be divisible by 3. You can check it, like you will be getting a remainder value for this. So this is the trick of the 3, and as well as for the 9, you need to sum up all this digit, then you need to find the divisible, if the number is divisible by 9 or not. So if it is perfectly divisible, then the whole number will be divisible and divisible by 9. Then if it is not divisible means it is not divisible, so like that. So 3 and 9, you need to sum up all this digit and you need to find it. So this is the trick in 3 and 9. Next we'll be finding out the 4. For 4, for 4 we have 40951 means 515 okay, 6. So for 4, you need to see the last two unit digit. So 56. So 56, if it is perfectly divisible by 4 means, so what we get, 56 divisible by 4, what we get, 1, 2, 2, 3, yeah, 14 will be getting. 14. Yeah, then the number what they given, it will be perfectly divisible by 4. This is the trick. You need to see the last two digit. So next we'll be seeing the 5. 5 also, like you need to see that for example, I'll not be mentioning all those things like I mentioned here. So for 5, if the unit digit is 0 or 5, or if a digit contains 0 or 5, then it is perfectly divisible by 5. Next, 8. 8, you need to check the last three digit. If the last digit, if it is perfectly divisible by 8, means the whole number will be perfectly divisible by 8. That is the trick behind the 8. Next is 10. You need to see about the unit digit for that. If it is 0, means the whole number will be divisible by 10. Next is about the 11. 11, you need to check, like, first you need to have you need to sum up all the odd numbers, and also sum up all the even numbers. Then you need to take the difference of both of them. So if the difference, if it is 0, means the whole number will be perfectly divisible by 11. Or you need to yeah, check it by 11, divided by 11. So like that. So this is the divisibility rule of all these numbers. Next, I have different divisibility examples. Like, these are the questions what you can see. So also we have prime numbers finding, like how you can easily find the prime numbers, if it is prime or not. So for that, I'll be opening up the, so, oh, yeah. So in aptitude, they'll be given that 173. 173 is a prime number or not. So what if they give like this? So you know that if they give 2, 3, 5, 5, 7, like that, you know that we can find the prime number. What if they give like this number, this three-digit number or four-digit number? So what you should do is, you need to find the square. Square means like, what you'll do, uh, square of 13. So 13 is like, it is bit 13, we get 169. So you need to find the next higher number, like 173 means 15 square. So 15 square, what will you, sorry, 14 square, what will be getting? 196 will be getting. So up to 14. So 196, it is the higher number than 173. So 173 is greater than, sorry, 173 is lesser than, one second. Yeah, 173 is lesser than 196. So what you should do is 196. So what you should do is, up to 14, you need to check all the you need to divide all the prime factors, like you need to do the prime factors for this. So what you should do is, 2, if it is perfectly divisible by, like, up to 14, if it is perfectly all the prime factors you need to do. If it is perfectly divided by all these numbers, then if it is perfectly divided by all these number, means then consider it as, it is not a prime number. If it is not divisible by any number, means you need to think it as prime number. So like that, that's the trick in this. So you need to check this 173. 173 means 173, where we can go, 173. 173 divided by 2, yeah, we'll be getting the remainder. Yeah, 5 also will be getting the remainder, 7 also will be getting the remainder. So yeah, now 173 is like, it's a prime number, because it's not perfectly divided by any of the prime numbers up to 14. So for that thing, it is a prime number. If it is perfectly divided by any of this number, any of the one number, then you need to consider it as a non-prime number. So this is the rule. This is the trick behind prime numbers, finding the prime numbers. For better understanding, like, you need to know the values till 20, like, prime numbers till 20 or 30. It will be easy to find the prime numbers like this. Yeah, this is all about the videos, and all about this video. And if you like the video, please do like and share. And also, I'll be uploading the different number system related questions in the upcoming video. So as of now, I hope everyone has understood this. Yeah, thank you.